Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to set up a party on Facebook. First, once you log into Facebook, you're going to go over to this, to your left-hand side where it says Groups. Okay, once you click on Groups, over at the right-hand corner, you're going to see the green button here that says Create Group. And so let's go ahead and start creating the group. Okay, so in here, I always name my parties with my host name, the word online, all in caps, and then Pampered Chef Party. I also always follow it by the date. The reason for that is once you start having multiple parties and you create them or whatever, it becomes a little confusing if you have somebody, like the name Anne or Brenda is very common. So you could potentially have more than one, and that just identifies which one you'll be working with. Also, as far as adding some people, I have an alias on Facebook. It's just called Kirkwoods PC. I always add myself to this to my parties before I add my host. That way I can get it all set up before I add them into the party. So I've added myself. I'm going to pin that to my shortcuts so that it's easier for me to get for the week that the party is going. And then I'm going to click on Create. Okay, so now the group is created. Now I need to upload a photo for the header here. So I'm going to show you down here. I have a folder called Covers, and I've already downloaded a picture. So let's go ahead and upload that to Facebook. Go to Google Drive, Covers, and right there's my cover. Once that populates, you're going to click on Save. Okay, so we've got a cover to the party now. Now let me show you a couple of things that I've done that not everybody who does, I don't know, but I did this on my own. I went ahead and made a Word document with just the information that needs to go into the description of the party. So then all I have to do is update a couple of spots. Make sure that it is gender correct and that the dates are correct. Okay, got the word Friday here. Okay, so all of this has been updated. Now I'm going to update her name one more time. Okay, and this is where the website information comes into play. So I've already created the website over on pamperedchef.com. So I'll go into Rihanna's party. I'll go over here to the 3 dots, and I'm going to click on Edit Party. And then I'm going to click on the Show page. At the very end, I've already created it and renamed this part. That's on another video, but I'm going to go ahead and copy that and then minimize all this. And then right here where the ending part of the website is, I'm just going to backspace all the way back up to that last slash, and then I'm going to paste it in there. Just like that. At this point, you've got all of your information. You just copy it, go to Facebook, click this tab here for Facebook, and in the About, you're going to see where it says Add a Description. I am going to paste what I just copied and confirm it. Then I always click on See More, and I want to verify that the links are in fact working. So I'm going to click on the first one. That opened up the interactive catalog. And then I'm going to click on the second one. And that opened up her website so that her guests can order. So those are all working perfectly. Next thing you want to do is up here where it says More, you're going to click on Edit Group Settings. About a third of the way down, you're going to see this little area that says Apps. You want to click on Add Apps. This is very important if you're using Post My Party or another posting service. It will not allow you to post into the group unless you've added the app to it. I use Post My Party, so I just start typing the first part of the word. It will pop up right here. And I'm going to click on Add right here. And done. So Post My Party is now authorized to post on my behalf. Let's check out the rest of it. So I've gotten the description done. I've gotten the picture done. Now we can invite our host. Okay. Once you've invited her, you want to go over here to where it says Members. Okay, and then you're going to click over here where it says Invited. You'll be able to see everybody that's been invited so far. I'm just going to hover over her name, and I'm going to click on Message. Now, the next Word document I have right here. I just literally update the first name here. And I copy this. This is just a message to tell her to start adding people to her show, and then I'll be in contact, and then she can start inviting people to her party. So I just go here, right click, paste, verify that I did spell her name correctly. And then what I do, before I click send here, I just click on the link over to the top left here to make sure we come to the main page of the group. And then I click up here in the toolbar and I copy that link and I paste it right in to the message that I'm sending her. That way she doesn't have to go look in her notifications or try to track down the invitation. It's right here, so she can click right here, and it's much easier for her. So I've sent her that. She's good to go. Now all I have to do is wait for people to start getting added and follow up with her for the next few days to make sure that everything is going as planned. And that's how you set up a Facebook party.